Hello everyone, I'm Rinku Diman, working as an assistant professor in Electrical Engineering Department at RP IIT Technical and Medical Campus, Karnal. So today I'm going to discuss about the corona in power system, right? So the corona, we must be understand what kind of it look like, okay, and what kind of this phenomena, and is there any kind of significance of this, or it's a totally loss of power in the long head power transmission line. Okay, so we'll understand all these phenomena. First of all, we have to take a look how the corona look like in a power transmission line. So we have over here with different figures we can say. So the corona will look like a violet discharge kind of thing. In the dark, it is very visible. Okay, so you can see that this is the violet discharge. This is also the violet discharge we can say, and this is also the violet discharge. So different parameter, atmospheric parameters will help to produce this corona kind of things. Okay, somehow it is very useful and somehow it is very disadvantageous for the power transmission line. So we will understand how it is useful and how it is disadvantageous for the power system. So first of all, corona in overhead transmission line, what are the factors responsible for this and what are the general characteristics of this corona? So the thing is that ionization of air surrounding the power conductor is called the corona. So ionization of gases around this conductor of our transmission line, that is called that is perform the or produce the corona effect. Okay, that corona effect is nothing but in terms of electric discharge. So it is a self-sustained electrical discharge phenomena, and the dielectric strength of this air is equal to 30 kilovolt per centimeter peak at normal temperature and pressure of the atmosphere. Okay, then fourth, we can say that it will be look like a faint violet glow appears, which is visible in the dark. Okay, then production of ozone gas and hissing noise, that is the main concern of this corona effect. So these are the main characteristics production phenomena of the corona. Then factor affecting the corona, these are the main factors that contribute in the corona production or that involves in the production of corona phenomena. Then one is the atmospheric factors. Either the atmospheric factor include the fog is there in environment, humidity is there, okay, most of the gases, or we can say that rainy seasons. So these are the weather conditions, bad weather condition, good weather condition, they are an impact on the corona as well. Then fill around the conductors. The fill around the conductor includes that the conductor size, shape, and all that. The high intensity field is there, low intensity field is there. So these are the factor that affect the corona as well. The conductor size is small or large. Then finally, spacing between the conductor. Okay, the conductor spacing, we can say the large spacing between the conductors and number of conductor faces, profile of conductors, and the last is surface condition of conductors. So these are the main factors that affect the corona basically. Then advantage of corona, we include that reduces the steepness of voltages surge produced due to lightning or switching. As we know that lightning and switching are the lightning is the natural phenomena, okay, in the environment, okay, due to thunderstorm and lightning. So lots of voltages are produced in that. So that voltages will directly impact to your equipment. So if there is some kind of corona impact over there, so that lightning will utilize in the corona impact as well. So the equipment will get safe from the damage. Then it reduces the electrostatic stresses between the conductors. It will reduce directly electrostatic stresses between the two conductors directly. These are the advantages of corona losses. Then disadvantage, if we are talking about, it will include the loss of power, as lots of energy or lots of power in the electrical transmission line have been consumed during this process. So loss of power will include, reduces the transmission efficiency of the line. So in long transmission line, if there is a number of points or number of poles, are including the corona, then there will be definitely a transmission efficiency loss. And then radio and television interference occur due to this corona. Okay, and finally we'll talk about if there is a communication line, neighboring communication line, where the corona occur, then definitely it will produce the inductive interference with that. Then method of reducing the corona effect is by increasing the conductor size. If the small size is there, then it will deteriorate obviously very in a small time. It will increase the size of conductor, it will take the time, and it will minimize or reduce the corona effect using the bundle conductor kind of construction of our conductor. If the spacing between the conductor, we'll use the bundle conductor kind of spacing, definitely will reduce the corona effect using the hollow conductors. So it will increase the spacing between conductor, and finally reduce the corona effect using the corona rings is also main of the alternative to reduce this corona effect. And by increasing the conductor spacing, by increasing the bundle conductors, and by increasing spacing conductor, these are the main concern which reduce the corona effect. Thank you very much. This is all about the corona in power system. Stay tuned with us for more videos on electrical system. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.